Inferior nitrile gloves have entered the market at an alarming rate. Inflated demand, elevated market prices, and shortages of raw materials have set the stage for unscrupulous suppliers and new entrants to take shortcuts in an attempt to maximize profits, while putting users at risk. Disposable nitrile gloves are made with nitrile latex film, which is produced by suspending particles of nitrile butadiene rubber, NBR, in water. Good quality nitrile raw material consists of small, consistently sized NBR particles that are evenly dispersed. This creates a uniform, stable film, which evenly coats glove formers. In response to global shortages of high-grade nitrile raw material, many glove manufacturers began adding low-quality NBR or fillers, such as silicates and calcium carbonates, to their high-grade raw material supply to boost volume and cut costs. Diluted adulterated nitrile film is less stable and more likely to trap air bubbles during the glove manufacturing process, which can result in tiny pinholes and inferior protective properties. Gloves made with adulterated NBR provide significantly lower levels of barrier protection from biological and chemical hazards, reduced durability, and diminished resistance to punctures and tears. At Ansell, we don't compromise the quality of our raw materials. We don't use cheap fillers or additives, and we don't take risky shortcuts. We uphold an unwavering commitment to quality. With 125 years of experience, we proudly stand behind the quality of our products and put our dedication to worker safety above all else.